BD5 Pilot with you out at the Hillsboro hangar. Just a brief visit here on a Tuesday at lunchtime, and here's what I'm looking at. In designing the motor mount system, I'm actually finding that I can put that bulkhead much further back than I was expecting to, leaving a lot more room in this area behind my seat than I originally expected. And I'm looking right now at utilizing that battery box for some extra strength right there at the forward edge. So the longitudinal axis kind of gets taken care of for stability on that motor mount. I'm going to design something out of 1/8 inch aluminum that ties into those bolts, the 4 bolts on the motor, and keeping in mind that I want to keep where those wires come through for the ignition system. So I can mount the ignition system on this side and then looking straight down, and then mounting that vertical power box right on the base. Then I can mount my remote radios off to the side. I've got another box to stick in here for the engine controls too, the GEA24 for reading the cylinder head temperature, RPM, and exhaust gas temperature on the motor. And potentially, I can then design something that gives me even some extra ability to drop a little knapsack or something back into here and carry some stuff in the aircraft. Possibly I can just throw my helmet in there when I'm storing the plane. When viewed from the side, this 1/8 inch aluminum is going to tie into the that thicker material that I've got that is basically used for aluminum signs, has that webbing in it, that honeycomb between the 2 layers of aluminum. That'll give me some sound deadening. That's going to come up here vertical into the base of the floor of the little compartment I'm making up above here. And but then when I get out here to this outside edge, I've got to turn things 45. Now that allows me actually to rivet into this area, leaving the fuselage itself free of any additional rivets on the outside, which I think will help with appearance-wise. But let me get onto the CAD program and start designing this piece right here. But nice to see that all the other components fit in there even better than originally planned. And then also go to work back here. Ordered the alternator today as well, BNC, I think L40 is what they call it. And that's going to mount down in that center area with the pulley coming back up and riding off of this drive shaft. Well, that's all for right now. Just let you know what I'm measuring, working on, and we'll see what gets done this weekend. BD5 Pilot out for now.